Hello, in this video we're going to talk about Modbus protocol and analyze the example of sending data from humidity and temperature sensor via RS485 with Modbus protocol to the PC. The hardware setup is as following. We are using the converter which is connected to the PC. The connector receives the serial communication from the sensor and translates it to the PC. The sensor that we are using is SDH30 sensor, which have I2C connection, and here on this board the small sensor, I think this is a sensor, is translated to the Modbus protocol, and we are reading it via the Modbus protocol. We have a pretty straightforward pin connection, and in order to see the actual lines to connect, I had to open the sensor, but this is a straightforward connection. Looking at our sources, we save our code inside Sims IoT devices, and the repositories that we are using is the Modbus repository, where here we have two videos. One is using the Modbus on ESP32, and we are talking now about the second video where we're using this file, the Python file that is running on our PC. And this is the file. We will copy it to our editor. Okay, here. Now we can run our file on our PC, and you see we have a reading from the temperature and the humidity. How does it work? Here we read the Modbus library, which was installed previously. Here, how we define this COM6. We define the method, of course, the serial communication, and here COM6. I will show you. We use the device manager, and inside device manager you see the ports and COM here, and you see that our converter is connected to COM number 6. We're using the standard bound rate and the serial communication definitions. We check if there is a communication, and then we try to read. Actually, the only command that we are using is we define the client, and then we are using the read holding register. We are reading from register number 1 and register number 2, and then we print this data on the screen. Here we demonstrated the reading of the Modbus sensor with the temperature and humidity data, which was transported to the PC via Modbus protocol. Thank you.